Hello Technauts. In the last lesson we learned more about what 3D is, and we had a play with TinkerCAD, and we looked at creating an online account and the user interface, where all the buttons are. We looked at the work plane and how to move that around. We also looked at basic objects like the cylinder and the cube, and we looked at about moving objects. I'm not sure if I covered moving objects, but I will in this lesson. Moving objects and resizing them and raising them off the ground, and we didn't cover learning back to the ground, although you could do using the arrow key. In this lesson I'm going to show you other ways of doing that as well. In this lesson we will be learning how to align, so we're over here now. We'll be learning how to align objects. We'll learn how to flip them, so you can make a mirror image of them. We will learn how to rotate them, to use the ruler. You saw where the ruler icon was in the last video. We're going to actually use it in this video. We're going to learn a part of the system called Snap Grid. That's going to allow you to move objects around in much more precise control. And we're going to look at zoom and focus. Now, we've already looked at that in quite a bit of detail already, and we'll look at that a little bit more in this lesson. So we're going to start off with Align.